the educator of technology subject, I have faced these 5 barriers. Number 1, it's about language. When I demonstrate or explain to the learners what to do before, the learners will do the opposite of what I have expected. That shows that they don't understand. And I'm working in a special school teaching the deaf and blind learners. So if they do a wrong task, which means that they don't understand, which means the language or the sign language, they don't know the terminologies of technology. Sometimes it is a challenge, that thing. Number 2, it's about shortage of resources. Poor infrastructure, a lack of pertinent training, and limited access to technologies. This can lead to skills gap by impeding the growth of digital literacy and limiting learners' access to information. Number 3, budget constraints. Budget constraints can significantly impact technology integration in the classroom. The lack of funding, which limits access to professional development opportunities, software, and necessary hardware. Point number 4 is about parent involvement. When the learners have to have the instrument, the technology learners, for example, have to have technology instrument. So the learners will have to buy the instruments, the technology instruments. They have to tell their parents at home to buy them the instrument. So other parents, some of other parents, they don't have the support to their learners. Some of them, they have support, and that makes a huge challenge, because those ones who don't have the instrument will never do the task, which means will never do the task, and they will fail that task because they don't have enough resources. The last point is about lack of reading. It's about lack of reading to learners. Learners don't read with understanding. Especially as I'm working in a special school, the deaf learners, it is difficult to read with understanding, because they will write but without understanding, and which means that it is a total fail, because learners have to read with understanding. They have to know what is expected from them. So it is a huge challenge for learners to read without understanding.